Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering up the My TV and confirming the remote is paired. This avoids delays. Once on, press Home and go straight into Settings, then choose Display or Picture. Firmware names vary. You open Picture because brightness lives there. This step reveals the controls you'll adjust. Make sure ambient light is typical for your room, so adjustments match normal viewing. Once you see brightness, you're ready to change levels precisely rather than guessing with the remote alone. Now you adjust the brightness using the remote's left and right buttons. This moves the value in percent or numeric steps so you can be exact. Once done, compare picture presets like Standard, Vivid, and Movie because they affect contrast and color. Choose a preset, then fine-tune brightness for skin tones and shadow detail. Make sure you test with both dark and bright scenes so nothing clips. If available, enable Adaptive or Eco mode to let the TV tweak bright. Finish by saving your picture adjustments, and if offered, apply them to all inputs so HDMI and apps match. You should check multiple channels and streaming apps to confirm consistency. If the image still looks off, tweak backlight, contrast, or gamma. Those controls change perceived brightness and detail differently. If controls are unresponsive, flicker, or cause artifacts, reset picture settings to default and redo the steps. This often clears firmware glitches. If problems persist, reboot the TV and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.